Good morning. It is Saturday morning, and normally I do all of this stuff on Sunday, but let me show you how much of a mess this place is. It is time for a weekly reset because things are just getting a little bit crazy. Normally I save everything until Sunday, but there's just so much that has to get done. I'm gonna try to do most of it today. Some of this reset routine might bleed into tomorrow, but here's the state of my apartment. I did my toes like a week ago and did not put anything away. Books are out from when I made a TikTok. I still haven't dealt with this grass. I started putting some of it on the balcony, but this has actually been sitting here for like 2 months. Kitchen is pretty messy, just lots of dirty dishes from yesterday, from breakfast, and my stove has been getting really dirty. The bathroom and laundry is the main thing that needs to be done, but I need to wash all my sheets and pillowcases, and the bathroom is actually gross because I just filmed a hair video, and so there's like wet stuff everywhere, just stuff all over the counters. The shower itself, I don't even know if I want to show it, but I have to clean the shower because it's pretty dirty. That's from filming. And then I pushed a bunch of stuff, just shoved it into my closet so it wasn't in the background of filming, but my closet and laundry need to be dealt with because things in here are just getting a little bit, just hangers hanging everywhere, just getting a little bit out of control. So it is time for a weekly reset. Oh, and I also need to get groceries. So part of my reset is not just cleaning, but getting some errands done, like getting gas, getting groceries. I have some stuff. It's not... Some may say this is empty. To me, this is not totally empty. I do have some food, but I definitely either today or tomorrow need to get more food, and also I need to get gas, take out the trash, sweep, mop, all that stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, before I start cleaning, I have my iPad. I'm gonna put on some music or a podcast. I'm also filming on my phone for TikTok, so I can't use my phone for that, but I cannot do things in just like dead silence. So let's see, there's a new episode of Morbid.
Thousands less embraces. And this is Morbid.
I'm folding laundry and finding stuff that got stained while I was dyeing my hair and filming. So yeah, it's going in the trash because this stuff is not going to come out. Also, yes, it's the same day. I just changed shirts out of the other one. So I have dishes soaking. I hate washing dishes, so I usually put that off until the end. Laundry's going. I'm folding clean stuff. The living room is pretty much clean, and I still just need to vacuum, sweep, and mop. Sunday reset is, actually it's not Sunday, but weekly reset is continuing. I went to Walmart. I cannot see anything with this glasses on, but I got a couple things from Walmart. I just filled up my car with gas. I like to do all these things just in the weekend to start my week off right. The last stop before I go back home is I'm going to Tom Thumb to do a grocery pickup order. This is actually the first time I've ever done drive up from Tom Thumb, but they had a promo that was $30 off if you order $75 or more on your first pickup order. So essentially I got $75 worth of groceries for $45. So I'm going to go ahead and pick those up and then head back home. I've had this cart for like 2 years and it's on its last leg. Like this side of the cart is about to fall apart, but it still gets the job done. grocery haul. I got more strawberry cream cheese, best yogurt ever, I cannot talk, Siggy's in strawberry. This is the only creamer that I actually like. This is French vanilla in the Planet Oak. I got a watermelon, cantaloupe, a couple of these jugs of water. I used to just keep buying like tons and tons of these to fill up my Stanley, but I realized if I'm just pouring water in here, that was using a lot more plastic, so I can just pour from the jugs. But I still got another pack of water just in case I want to take one on the run, or if I have people over who want a bottle of water. Watermelon and cantaloupe, and then I got a couple of flavors of Prime. I love this stuff. These are my favorite flavors. These two, actually they gave me the wrong one. This was supposed to be lemon lime, but either way, these are all the Primes I got. Blueberries, strawberries, apples, bananas, russet potatoes, dryer sheets. These are so good. I always have sweet cravings, so I got the Halo Top strawberry. They're only, how many calories? 45 calories per ice pop, and then the lime ones are 40 calories. This is for dinner tonight. I'm gonna do spaghetti and meatballs. The checkout line always gets me. I'm about to eat this as a snack because it's like 4 o'clock and I haven't had lunch yet. Pike's Place medium roast. I haven't tried this popcorn yet. Oh, there's only 4 of them. I thought they came with more, but it's Healthy Pop 100 calorie popcorn, aluminum foil. Best bread ever. This is gonna go with my spaghetti dinner. I haven't tried this tea yet, but this is Tazo's green ginger tea. I got distracted at Walmart and I want to try these running shorts, and then I got a giant bag of shredded potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything away. Good morning, it's Sunday morning. There's a few more things today for my weekly reset that need to get done. Number one is I am about to go on a run. It's not a weekly reset unless I get some type of exercise in. I honestly don't even remember the last time I worked out. Like, I was on such a high at the beginning of March, and after that it just went downhill. So I honestly don't think I've had a good run in over a month. So I'm gonna get outside. It's 7:30 a.m. It's nice and cool outside, and get a run in. I just got back from Trader Joe's. I got baby's breath and some pink roses. Super cute. I always go to Trader Joe's for flowers because they just have the most affordable but also the best quality. Baby's breath, usually it's like $3 or $4. You can get a dozen roses for $9.99. So I'm gonna put these in a vase. And that is the end of my weekly reset routine. I actually feel so much better having most of the things done on Saturday. So it's Sunday, I have laundry done, clean apartment, groceries, meals prepped, fresh flowers, everything is done, and it's only 10 a.m. on Sunday, so now I have the entire day to do whatever I want. I think I might start switching my weekly resets from Sunday to Saturday, but thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!